The Audi A5 B9 front lip, ABS glossy black.
要好高，车身高度。啊？他吃完点儿。你这种你也不晓得，我晓得个九。好大个9的哇。
The Audi A5 B9 modified the RS5 body kit and the front lip, glossy black front lip. For this car model. Well, install it later. Okay. The Audi A5 B9 modified the RS front bumper and the glossy black front lip. The Audi A5 B9 modified the front bumper and the front lip, glossy black, and the seat. 来看一下 seat. OK， 这样就可以了，可以了。RS seat and the carbon fiber diffuser and the RS exhaust with the tailpipe. Yes, the RS for this class. So Audi A5 B9 to modify the RS front body kit and the glossy black front lip. Check the detail and the wheel rims, also the S-line and the steering wheel and the R8 button with the ice-bird seat. Yes, and the carbon fiber parts. Carbon fiber interior. Okay, and the rear seat and the rear spoiler, the carbon fiber diffuser with light, the RES tailpipe. Okay.